The next flow Ion Blaster Beam removes static by providing an annular flow of air over a distance. It can clean a statically charged surface at a significant distance from the device. It also has enough force to not only clean the surface, but to push that material away to a significant distance. How the next flow Ion Blaster Beam works is that it combines a next flow air amplifier with an ionizing pin. As this laminar flow of air produced from the amplifier passes the ionizing pin, it creates positive and negative ions, which when it touches the surface, removes the static charge almost instantly. Also, this force is great enough and is laminar to be able to clean the particles off that surface. It has a high enough force to be able to push this particulate in a significant distance. For example, if you have a 10-foot or 3-meter long plastic pipe, if you put the Ion Blaster Beam at one end of that pipe and there is particulate in that 3-meter or 10-foot long pipe, it will eliminate the static, loosen up the statically charged particles, take away the static, and push the particles all the way through to the end of that 10-foot pipe and right out of that pipe. The device is extremely small, it's compact, portable, flexible in use for all kinds of applications where a cone of ionized air can be very effective for cleaning statically charged surfaces.